Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Bulgaria. The link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on link eSim and open voyafly.com. Alright. And click on this and write Bulgaria. And click on this, open new page and scroll down. This service number 1 for eSim. Alright. And choose data type, unlimited or fixed data. I am recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plane, light, plus or premium. I am recommend plus, maybe premium. Alright, select premium and select your days. And I am select 30 days, premium speed, unlimited data, and click on buy it now. And click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips and these dollars. This very cool, very good, nice. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy SIM or write email, payment, billing address and click on pay now. Click on pay now and open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, scan QR code and instruction activation. And that's all. eSim is work, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.